Alright, to get started, I just have a vertical video here that I'd like to rotate to landscape. To do this first, make sure your video clip is selected on the timeline. Then go up to Sequence and select Sequence Settings. Now for the frame size, you want to switch these two values. So I'll put 3840 for horizontal and 2160 for vertical. Okay, right away you'll see that the aspect ratio has flipped. So we did it right and can click OK to confirm the change. Now all that's left to do is rotate the video, so make sure your clip is still selected on the timeline and go over to Effect Controls in here. Change the rotation to 270 or -270, depending on which way you want your footage to be flipped horizontally. But yeah, that's it for this quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. If this video helpful to learn quickly, hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. Then you won't miss any upcoming tutorials.